Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have the box that I'm going to be opening by Fasionsta. This is a beauty and skincare box for $19.99 a month. You do receive, I believe, 5 or 6 items, and they currently do have a waiting list, so if you want to try out this box for yourself, I'll leave the link below, but there is a waiting list for it. All right, so let's get into it. When you open it up, it does have the tissue paper, and it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. So, and then this little card right here, they do give back to the Family Crisis Center, which I really do think is awesome. It says, with every box purchased, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence. So I'll put that up there for you. Hopefully you can see it if you want to learn more about that charity. All right, so opening it up, I do have a card that tells me what all the products are. And the first product that I'm gonna pull out is, I am sick. I'm getting over being sick, so if my voice is raspy, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make as many videos as I can while it's my day off. All right, so this is by Teamy, and it is a vitamin C tea infused serum. $45 is what this is worth, and it says quench dry skin with this serum's water-esque consistency, which instantly absorbs into your skin. Vitamin C takes less than 30 seconds, so you can quickly continue with your beauty routine. The unique process behind this weightless vitamin C serum involves hand steeping the hibiscus flower leaves and brewing an antioxidant-rich, refreshing red tea, which creates the baby pink color we adore. So let's open this up. And it is pink. That is so pretty. That's a really pretty bottle. Let's see. Put a little on my hand here. We'll see how it feels. It does smell good. You know what it smells like, to be honest? Like Fruity Pebbles. I like the smell of Fruity Pebbles, but it kind of smells like fruity and florally. All right, let's rub this in my skin. My skin probably needs a good drink since I've been sick. All right, so it says 30 seconds, so we'll see how it does. All right. The next item is Invisible Sleeping Jet Mask, worth $28.50, and that is this item right here. Formulated to effectively fight against the appearance of aging and restores the skin's natural radiance with a boost of antioxidants. Lava water detoxifies, and olive leaf and cranberry will strengthen the skin barrier with hyaluronic acids and hydrolyzed collagen, restores elasticity and hydration for a radiant glowing complexion. Let's see if it has a, it does have a safety seal, so I'm not gonna open it because I don't need to open it right now, but it looks very interesting. And it's, I don't know, I just like it. I think it's cute. And $28.50. I mean, good gravy. Oh, let's look. Ooh, very nice. That feels really good. So go out and get you some of the Vita C. All right, next up, I have a long-lasting matte lip paint liquid lipstick duo by Girlactic, and it's worth $26. There is the box. And it says the first original double-ended matte lip paint, a color-rich creamy formula that's weightless on the lips and delivers long-lasting coverage. That's transfer-proof with no cracking or bleeding. Colors can be worn individually or as an ombre lip. Let's see what this looks like. There's the colors right there. So this one is Allure. Looks like it would match my shirt that I have on today. If you're wondering what I have on my lips, I do have on the Disney Villains, and I love it. One of the Disney Villains colors. I can't remember which one. Ooh, that's a pretty color. So that's that color. That's really pretty. Let me see if I can get some of this off so you can see. It does have the doe foot. And then the other color is Posh. And that is that color. That one's really pretty too. And they're really creamy. I would put them on my lips, but I could probably put this one on and just kind of do. Let's see how that feels. Sometimes two different lipsticks, like two different companies, they'll kind of grit up a little bit, so hopefully it doesn't do that, but pretty. All right, so I like that. The next item that I have is by Kismet. It's bright and bubbly all natural lip scrub, and it's worth $12. Pop the bubbly or just get a taste of it with the bright and bubbly lip scrub. Sweet and refreshing pink champagne flavored sugar scrub will leave your pout ready for color. Lipstick lasts longer on smooth primed lips than chapped. This blend of whipped coconut oil and cocoa butter will soften your lips to candied perfection. Massage a small amount of this tempting sugar scrub onto your lips and gently wipe with a soft tissue. So right now, during the day, I've been using a couple different ones. I've been using the Milani sugar scrub, which is pretty good. Or if I just am going to put on like more of a chapstick or balm and not a scrub, I'll put on, I forget who it was by, but it was in my glossy box and it had the cute little macaron. It was so cute. And yes, I did get macarons while I was in Seattle and they were so good. I got another pink colored bottle here. Ooh, and that is full to the brim. I always like when the products are nice and full and you get a bunch for your money. Ooh. Golly, that smells really good. I can even smell it through my stopped up nose. So I put a little bit just right there just to kind of see what it felt like. And it does feel like a sugar scrub. I forgot to put the Girlactic right there. We'll put that right there too. All right. Then next item I have is by Sigma. It's an F89 Bake Kabuki brush for $25. Do you guys see a pattern here? Like, we paid $19.99 for this box, and there is nothing less than $12. So that is the brush here. If I can get it open. Sometimes I'm not the best with boxes. All right. So this is the Kabuki brush. It is curved or got the little slant in it. It feels really nice and soft, but dense. And I love the black color. Black is just so sleek and pretty. And it says on there, baked Kabuki brush. You can see. Really nice. I'm gonna enjoy using this brush. I really like getting brushes in my boxes. How about you? All right, so saving the best for last, because you know the palette is always gonna be like the showstopper usually. So let's see if it holds up to my weight here. It is by Rude Cosmetics. It's called Leopardina. Get it out. We have all these black squigglies. This is the palette, and it's a 12 eyeshadow for highlighter palette for $21.50, featuring a combination of 4 highlighters and 12 shadows. This palette will be sure to bring out your inner feline. Each carefully selected shade can easily be complemented. Shadows are a combination of mattes and shimmers, which allow you to bring any look up a notch. That's the back, a little sneak peek there. Let's open it up. It had the little thing, but there we go. There's all the colors. These are all the highlights, and then all of these are the mattes, and these are the shimmers. And this whole thing just about is mirror. I'll show you. Say hello. All right. So who wants me to swatch these really quick? I want to know what they look like. All right. So let's do a couple of the highlighters. We'll do this one. Ooh, that's really soft. I was really expecting that. I don't know anything about Rude Cosmetics. So I did 2 of those. See if I can pull up my sleeve here. Ooh, pretty. And you can use highlighters. If they're not your color, try them on your eyes. Try them anywhere. Let's look at this Kabuki brush and let's see if we can test it out a little. Ooh, pretty. So yeah, I get a little bit of highlight there for sure with that one. What do y'all think? I like it. So that performed really nicely. Let's try a couple of, I'll do, this one is kind of piquing my interest a little. So let's, really soft. Let's do that one and this one right here. So that's like a yellow gold color. Ooh, I like that one. I like that one a lot. That one's really pretty. I didn't bring any like a wipe in here or anything, so hopefully I can get those off enough to try. And then let's try this one. Let's go bold and see what that looks like. And let's try this one right here. Sneak peek, if you want to know what is on my eyes, I'm going to tell you. It is the Tati palette. So there's the Rude Cosmetics. So let me know if you guys have ever heard of Rude Cosmetics, because I hadn't, and they look like they did pretty good, and they were really soft feeling. So, you know, swatches don't always tell you exactly when they're on your eyes. They could have a lot of fallout and everything, but we'll see. So I got this, I got the mask, I got sugar scrub, I got the lip paint, I got the kabuki brush, and the Vita C serum for $19.99. Where did my thing go? Here it is. It's okay. I paid $19.99, and do you guys see right there? $158. $158 value is what I got for $19.99. So once again, the box by Fasionsta, you did not disappoint. So great job. All right. Thanks for watching this video. If you're brand new, welcome to my channel. If you're thinking about subscribing to my channel, then I hope you will go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the end of this video and give me a thumbs up. All right, see you later. Bye.